Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to download Motel Manager Simulator on your PC. But before we continue, check the description for links to gaming mouse and keyboard options if you're interested. Now, let's get started. First, ensure you have Steam installed on your computer. Steam is a widely used platform that allows you to play a large variety of games. If you haven't installed it yet, head to the official Steam website. In the top right, click Install Steam and follow the instructions. Once you have Steam installed, open the app. If you don't already have a Steam account, click Create a free account, fill in your email and set up a password. After logging into Steam, go to the search bar at the top right and type in Motel Manager Simulator. The game will appear in the search results. Click on the title to go to the store page for more details. To purchase the game, click the green Add to Cart button. After completing your purchase, go to the Library tab. You'll find Motel Manager Simulator listed there. Click on the game and press Install. You'll be prompted to choose where to install the game. Select your location and click Next. The download will start automatically. Once the download is complete, the Play button will appear. Click it to launch Motel Manager Simulator. That's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. Bye-bye.